Hello, I will show you how to see comments when you use Microsoft Word Review Toolbar. You can see my document has Microsoft Word file open, and look along 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places along the Microsoft Word toolbar. It says Review. If you open that one, you can see a place to check spelling, and here you can see a place to put comments. So if you are the teacher or you are doing peer feedback, you can add comments here. Right now, I want to just show you how to see the comment which I put. So click on Review again and go along from New Comment, Delete, Previous, Next, Track Changes, No Markup. Click this little arrow here and go to All Markup. Now you can see the comments which your teacher has put in there. So here we've got a space at the beginning. Put the date and the header with your name and write journal and the topic. The other day I went into MIC to got my textbook. Verb form should be get, not got. So today I just want to show you where the review toolbar is and how to make those comments appear so that you can see comments if you're looking in Microsoft Word. If you want to add a comment, suppose we wanted to put the comment at the end, you click New Comment and you can type into the box something like interesting journal. Well done. And if you're printing, then you can also click No Markup, and it hides the comments, but they're still actually part of the document. You can also have simple markup, which doesn't show you so much detail. Thank you for watching. I hope that was useful, and enjoy revising your writing.